What's going on YouTube? So it's Chuck Chicago Mopar. Today we are going to get a wrap on the Demon. We're going to get, we're doing a Crown Rally event I'll tell you about in a few minutes for those of you that haven't been following along on the channel. But we are going to be doing a rally in about a month, and today's the day we're going to get our new wrap on for the Demon. So first thing I have to do is go actually get the Demon washed. As much as it looks like it's clean, I did park it outside at a restaurant the other day, and so some birds have strategically hit me. So I'm going to have to clean up the car this morning real quick, and then we'll run it over. I've got, we're probably going to trailer it down there. Got the trailer ready to go. The Ram's going to pull it down. And for those of you that have never seen these, you know, the splitter on the front of the Demon is really low. I've actually replaced it already. It was an $82 piece, but the first one that I had, I scratched up a little bit. Part of that scratching up was just trying to load this thing onto the trailer because it's got such a low approach angle, so I did have to buy these race ramps. And I think these are the longest ones that they make. They're like 11 footers, but that's what I had to do to get the grade where it needed to be so we could get it on the trailer. So I'll show you that. We'll load that up in a few minutes as well. But first, off to the car wash just to hose down the Demon. Not a great start to the morning. I woke up, as you'll see in some of the pictures here, I took the car, was going to go rinse it off for this detail that's getting done, or this wrap that's getting put on, and had a low pressure sensor tire, in the low tire pressure sensor going off, and checked, and sure as shit I've got a screw in the tire. So I guess the good news, bad news is it was one of the front drag radial tires. It wasn't the Hoosiers. I did have my other two drag radial tires in the garage, so I just swapped that one out, and now I'm off. But really sucks. Those tires are not inexpensive, and that one didn't have a whole lot of wear on it, so pretty much a replacement at this point. We'll have to take that in, but just glad it didn't happen while I was out on the road somewhere, and that you know, nothing bad happened. So the Crown Rally is a rally for epilepsy awareness. There's actually two of them that they do. They do a north and a south version. They might actually do others in other areas, I'm not sure, but I know they do a north and south. They do one from I think it's Minneapolis to Chicago. That's the north version, and then they do one from Chicago to Nashville, Tennessee. So that's what I'm doing. It's in, I want to say mid to late August. I'll put the details in the post here, but one of the things they do for it, if you've ever seen any of these rallies, is they wrap the vehicles with various sponsors and do a little bit of numbering of the car, so that should be pretty cool. Got about a month to go before the event, but today was a day that they were able to fit us in, and so we're going to go down and get the wrap, check it out, and see what it looks like. Alright gang, we are down at Auto Art in Glenview, and we are about to take the Demon off the trailer. They have 10 cars getting wraps today. Aventadors, several 458 Ferraris, a couple Porsches, so we'll share that with you in a minute. But first, we are going to take the car off the trailer and get it ready for them.
Just to make sure there wasn't anything on the ground.
Right. F12 getting the Crown Rally wrap done. Very cool. F12 just got his Crown Rally wrap. This guy will be doing south. He actually owns Auto Art here in Glenview. 2017, very cool car.
You see,
More cars queued up here ready for their wraps. There's, we got two 458s here. This one's started up, about ready to go. Love his license Alright, here's the Crown Rally wrap for the Demon going on. They're about halfway done with it. Looking really cool. Very happy with it. They've got a few other cars here today. Doing a Viper right now. Lots of work to do still on this one, only probably a third of the way done. Got a big Demon that's going to go on the hood. Not done yet. Film crew here. Haven't worked on this side yet. Got a whole bunch of graphics that'll be going on. Over here in the pile, there's the Demon head that will go on the trunk, or excuse me, on the hood. That looked pretty awesome. And then all of this other stuff. Alright, we are still here at Auto Art. Been here a good half the day just because they're fitting us in today. Otherwise I would have had to drive much further to get my wrap on, so fitting me in between other cars. But it's coming along. Here's another Porsche Turbo. I think this one's doing south as well, getting a wrap. A couple 458s getting finished up. And then hopefully we're next. coming together. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Graphics coming together, not quite done. Doing the other side now. Some graphics on the back. It's going to look so awesome.
The only one I had to get was
very awesome.
make you nervous a little bit.
I just think, I don't know, it's sort of too much for me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Will this damage, so I have Expel on my car, will that?
Great.
No, you're fine.
My whole car is wrapped.
Is it wrapped?
Expel and Ceramic Pro.
You have ceramic coat?
Yeah, feel it.
Oh shit, oh, you did a good job on that, you cut it nice.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
No, yeah, you're fine. You're good to go, so no problem.
Figured I'd ask, I didn't even ask.
Problems getting it to stick like originally, but that's the vinyl, that's on us, so just a little trickier, that's all.
I'm not having anything fancy like that, that's fancy. You demon? I think it's badass. How do you get it off?
Feel? Lift the corner, start pulling.
You start pulling?
Just start yanking, yeah.
So when I want to get it off,
You do it outside.
do I come to you and you guys just take it off and I can pay you?
That's not a problem.
Okay, like that? You don't need.
Tom, you done good.
Yeah. Thanks.
All right, guys, so we are back. It was a long day. Thanks to the guys at Crown Rally, specifically Tom, really fitting us in today. I really appreciate that. Saw a lot of awesome cars. The guys at Mo Graphics did an awesome job of putting the graphics on. The car turned out amazing. Could not be more happy. When you're looking at a concept or kind of the print, you don't know what it's going to look like, but this thing turned out amazing. And it'll be on for about a month and a half, almost 2 months before we do the rallies. So did an awesome job. For those of you that have already started asking questions like on Instagram, so 666, it's our number in the rally. The car is a demon. All right, put it together. I am not a devil worshiper, but thought it would be kind of a cool play on the demon. But again, not a devil worshiper, so please don't send me those messages. Just having fun. But again, car looks awesome. Couldn't be more happy with it. Did a little bit of burnout. That's why we've got all the rubber here. You can see that video on our Instagram page. Actually, we'll include it here too. We'll clean that up a little bit tomorrow. No big deal. The car's got a complete clear wrap on it too, so it's got Expel, so those rocks and that burnout isn't going to do anything to the car. But really awesome. The probably one of the best parts of it is the hood. So on the hood we've got the demon, and then Crown Rally demon on the windshield. So pretty awesome. Great job, and look forward to doing this event. It's for a great cause again, the for Epilepsy Foundation, epilepsy awareness. So please consider donating to those groups, and thanks to all the sponsors on the car here as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope everybody has a good one. If you don't already, please take 1 minute to subscribe. Small deal for you, big deal for me. All you gotta do is hit the button below. We'd really appreciate it. Give us a like, give us a comment, let us know where you're from. Let us know what you think of the wrap. Do you like it? Not sure if we're gonna leave it on after the event or not. Still to be determined. So let us know what your thoughts are about it. And we'll talk to you soon. Take care.